This video will demonstrate how to use the built-in welcome announcement in your course template. I am currently in a Rush course template. Among other features, this template contains a built-in welcome announcement. If an instructional designer has copied the course template into your course shell, the welcome announcement template will be copied over, allowing you to edit and customize it. Click on Announcements. Click on Welcome to insert course name. Notice that while this announcement is generic, it contains information required by Best Practice 1.3, such as how to get started, as shown in the yellow highlighted text, how the course will work, as shown in the red highlighted text, and where to locate course components, as shown in the blue highlighted text. Of course, your instructions for your students may be different depending on the structure of your course, so you can edit your announcement accordingly to reflect that. This best practice also recommends that you personalize your course introduction by letting your personality shine through. You can do that in your welcome text, but there's really no better way than by adding a welcome video or audio recording. You can add it here to this announcement as shown in the purple highlighted text or to your Getting Started module. To add it to your announcement, click on Edit. Place your cursor where you want your video or audio recording to go. Then click on Record Upload Media. Click Record to create your recording and embed it directly onto the page. Then save. You can continue to edit the announcement text. Adding this will provide a friendly and welcoming face or voice that students will see immediately upon entering your course. This will show that you are present, engaged, and helps to set the tone for your course. Thank you.